This is the very best for gamers. Look, the whole thing. I'm playing it with a controller. And how do we install all this beauty? That is actually really easy. Let me show you. It's free and it's just for everyone. And to install it really quick, just search for PrimeOS, primeos.in, that's for India, and you go to download right here. Choose a device. On a Raspberry Pi, that's the one. x86 is for our Intel devices. That's a computer. And we are going to go with 213. At the moment, right now, it's Android 11. This is the one I'm going, not the beta. You can test it if you want to. That's up to you. And then you go to ISO, not EXE. ISO, because we're going to create an image. And you click download here. And then it goes to the download page directly, so you can download it. As you see, I already have it downloaded. That is it. Next tool you need is Rufus, which is also free. Download Rufus whenever you want to get it from, and then you'll have this little tiny thing right here. Now, when you have Rufus installed, you plug in your USB. Make sure you only select the USB you are intending to completely destroy the data on it. There's no return. Select the USB and select the ISO image, which is going to be our PrimeOS right here. Click open. As I said, depending on the computer you have, if it's older, you might want to go with MBR because that's legacy. But if a computer is 10, 12 years old, should be fine. I go with GPT and leave this on UEFI. You don't need to touch anything else here. But one thing I noticed, it did not work on my case if I had my VPN on. I had to turn off the VPN in order to make this work. It's just how it works. Let me try it with VPN on and see what happens. Because it has to download a few things while it does it. Click OK. Click OK again. Oh, it worked this time. Last time that I did it, it actually did not work with VPN on. So just in case it gives you an error or something after you click OK, and it doesn't go into this green thingy here, you know your VPN might be the culprit. But today looks like it's working, so better if I didn't say it. But if I encounter a problem, I like to say it. So let's skip this part because we are done and jump to the computer to actually install it, because after this is done, all you need to do is safely remove the drive, and that is it. That's it. Done. Close. Don't just yank the drive yet. Always safely remove it. Eject it, and that's it. Now we can yank it from here and plug it to the PC we are intending to install it. So let's go there. And all we have to do here, take the drive we put the system on and plug it to our USB port. Just make sure you have a mouse and keyboard plugged in, and let's start the installation. It is that easy. And if you're wondering, does it work with 8 gigs? Yes, it does. You need to go to boot menu. In this Dell, for example, is F12, the boot menu. And we're gonna go to UEFI Samsung flash drive like this and wait for it to start. Nope. I mean, you can go live if you want to, but I don't need to. We can do installation, wait for it to initiate. You'll see these kind of scribbly things going on, and then here you choose the drive you want to install it to. Unknown is just one of those drives. It will be erased when it installs grub anyway. It's PNYSDA3 right here. Click OK, and I'm gonna format it. EX3, EX4 is not working on MBR. If you did it in MBR or legacy, you must choose XT3. But we did it on GPT or Grand Partition Table. Now we can get XT4 if we wanted to. Hit yes, and formatting it slowly but surely. And then we'll get back when it does something or something happens. Do you want to install EFI Grub? Yes, don't skip this one. You must install it because that's what starts it. And it's going to install it on SDA3, which is our drive. It's that easy. Just boom, boom, boom. That's all you need. Okay, so at this point, for example, you have to go reboot. At least that's what I do. So it's up to you. I do reboot, hit OK, and it will start the reboot sequence to restart the system, and that's it. When it's in here, you can feel free to take off the USB because we're done with the USB already, and it should technically boot from PrimeOS now. Boom, just hit PrimeOS or let the timing to go out by itself, and you should be presented to the initial screen. Just like that. That's the boot screen on PrimeOS. And it's loading. I mean, how hard was that? Literally just clicks and that's it. Welcome to PrimeOS. And the rest from here, you don't need anything else. You can just choose your region, choose your stuff. If I can find America somewhere, Chicago is fine. Quite far, but it's okay. Just like that. And proceed. Accept. Welcome to PrimeOS. Boom. You're in. Full Android in your $10 PC. And as you see, it just works. It's initializing a few programs and stuff, just like on any OS when you first install it. And in my opinion, this is probably the best Android version for PC, if you wanna play games. This is the very best for gamers, especially on a budget. Oh yeah. This is it makes everybody else look nothing. And at the Play Store, you just have to log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one, and that's it. $10 and free software can get you up and running on gaming on Android. That's all. Literally, that's all I'm running on it. And for the $10, it actually came with a 12 gigs of RAM, with an i5 inside it already, and everything was just ready to go. All I did here, I installed PrimeOS. I put a keyboard that you see right there and a mouse. That's all I did to it. But besides that, yes, I'm using one of these Xbox, the old version, as you see, the old Xbox controller to actually play games on it. Let me show you something really cool. PrimeOS already has this gaming app pre-installed that, for example, let's say we're in Asphalt 8, you can choose to play it power save or performance. In my case, I have it performance, and if you click home right here, you go to the downloaded games that we have already, or you can go to top suggested games, or you can download your own games from the Play Store and play that way. And here, for example, we have PUBG, Call of Duty, BB Racing. I actually love this one. I don't know why. I'm gonna leave it on performance. I'm gonna hit play and just see what happens. It should work. And as you see, we are at the beach. Look at that. Racing, and from a $10 computer. $10. So you don't need, for normal gaming like I do, for example. I'm not a heavy gamer. You can play online here too, huh? This is not, restricted to just playing your pre-installed games and all that. But this is absolutely amazing. You can go to Play Store and download whatever you want. Look at that. I have all other games, whatever they have to offer. But I just downloaded a few because there are a few that I know how to play. Oh, look at that. You have Spider-Man too. Now we have Roblox. Just for you that might be asking if Roblox works here. Yes, it absolutely does, and it works really good. And I'm not gonna add a phone number, but I'm just gonna go here random. I actually never played Roblox before. Literally created the account for the first time in my life right now, and just to test it for you guys so you can see if it does work, or it's one of those, it gives you heebie-jeebies. So let's see. Citizens, I really don't care about how many citizens are here. We're just gonna try to do a quick play. I don't have anything connected. Do I have to collect bonus? How does that even work? Okay, good. So I got $1,000. Yeah. Look, the whole thing, I'm playing it with a controller. Turn around, go around, and do all this. Go to the gas station that looks like a mobile gas station. Now, you probably know how to play this better than me, but just showing you that it's possible. What do you do when you lift this? So, let me click lift here, pick up. But I don't have a car. Why am I picking up? But yeah, it works. Now, if you're a better player, it would be even a better experience. I don't love you no more.